Not everybody can make it to the 2024 Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, so come along with us, let's have some fun, cruise this brown 79, talk to some folks, look at some cars, hop in, let's go for a ride. Welcome back to Muscle Car Central's YouTube channel. I'm Ben Tucker with Camaro and Firebird Central. We're not in our shop. We're at the Louisville Street Rod Nationals, and today we're gonna have some fun. You never know who you're going to run into the Holley booth. I mean, you meet strangers, or strange, I mean, I'm just saying. You know, if you're not able to come to the show, we're going to let you log into our little YouTube channel. Not as cool as yours.
The old guys always say it's not like it used to be, but there ain't nothing like it used to be, because there's 4 or 5 national events every weekend you go someplace. But I still love coming to Louisville. I still love coming to Nats. There's tons of vendors in here. I always say, if you can't make it to SEMA or PRI, come here. Because most of the heavy hitters from those companies are here.
It's got the feel like a
SEMA. They're not quite as busy as SEMA. Yeah, you can actually take the time to talk to people.
You're right, man.
And that's hang out. You go out here in the tents. There's car shows. The swap meet's huge here, and then all the clubs and all the buddies have the tents, and I go tent hopping. And it's like, what are you cooking for lunch? One year,
love you?
Somebody was cooking steak, and I got a piece of steak.
Dang it! I didn't hang out with you. I got a free beer so far.
Yeah.
I thought that was cool.
Yeah.
How you all doing?
Hey, how are you?
You're yawning. It's too early for that. Holley, Steve Sparkman here. These are the guys that literally helped us out a lot. I mean, Steve, we came to Holley. We had no idea. We got a 67 Camaro. We're like, we want to do an LS swap. So, you know, we looked at LS's. We ended up with a 2010 Camaro that was wrecked. Took it out. It already had a 6-speed automatic hooked up to it. It's like, well, that's perfect. Let's stick in the 67 Camaro.
Yeah.
It don't just go in there, though.
No, you have to get our Hooker Blackheart, drop in what's called motor mounts, cross members. We make everything for those First Street Camaros and Firebirds.
Man.
It makes an LS swap, piece of cake.
We love selling some Ididit columns at our shop. And one of our favorite products, I think, is this one here. It fits 67, 68 Camaro, Firebird. I think it also fits a Chevelle, right? And A-body. That is a fantastic product. We've been selling, original rebuilt ones for 20 years. The problem with it is you can't get cores anymore. And you guys make a direct fit column. It comes out of the box. Do you need anything else to put this in a Camaro?
Really, it fits into your dash the same way the old one did. So you essentially can take the old column out and put the brand new one in and bolt it right up. It's going to go in the vehicle. Now, if your steering changed, your power steering, if you change to a rag and pinion, for instance, or did anything else down there that's different, you may need to change the rag joint or the U joints.
And you guys offer that too.
You sure do.
That's what I'm talking about. I mean, you guys make fantastic products. You're keeping it where people can rebuild old cars, keep that car on the road. Keep up what you're doing, man. I love it. You want to tell me something about some leaf springs?
Leaf springs go up and down. They're black. They give you suspension on your car.
Make it soft.
Make it ride and make it nice. Yeah. Make it ride soft if you want. You can make it ride hard if you want. You can set the car at stock ride height. You can raise it. You can lower it. You tell us what to do and we can do it.
We're at the Vintage Air booth. We want to talk to our sales rep, Aaron, but it's Vintage Air. These guys are the real deal and it shows. It's one of the busiest booths that we've been in today. We're excited to offer their product. If you guys are looking for an AC unit for your car or truck, these are the guys you want to see. We love American Autowire at Camaro Central, Firebird Central, and Muscle Car Central. You're our main harness supplier, pigtails, classic update kits. Love it. One thing I do want to say is you guys sent us a whole classic update kit for a build we're doing, a 67 Camaro. I just wanted to stop by and say thank you. Seriously, thank you, man.
Thank you very much. It means a lot. Thank you for buying our product. Thank you for supporting us.
Man, we love it. It's not only that y'all make a product that is on the factory fit side of your operation. It really is. You unplug the harness, You take that old harness off, you plug the new one in. There's nothing to it.
Yeah, because everything's going to be made to the original GM factory prints. As far as those years were concerned, as they would have rolled out onto the out of the factory.
We're excited to have that in. Now, when we get it done, we're going to have to let you guys come by and check it out maybe. I appreciate everything you guys do. Thank you very much. Yep. QA1, seriously good products. We offer it for the Camaro, Firebird, Chevelle, and Nova. We've got the single adjustable, dual adjustable kits, coilover, fantastic. Sway bars, upper and lower control arms, fantastic. QA1 makes a high quality product. Super happy to be selling it. It's great to see them set up here at the Street Rod Show. QA1. Here at the Street Rod Nationals, hanging out, we walk by the Steele Rubber booth. We see Danny here. Danny, man, it's good to see you.
You as well, Ben.
Dude, I tell you what, man, you sent us some rubber for that 67 Camaro to test fit and also to use on the build we're doing.
Yep.
Couldn't have been happier. I mean, that stuff went right on. My installer, Jerry, he's like, I don't use nothing but steel. He's a Corvette guy, and the Camaro line for you all is fairly new, right?
Yes.
And so we've got 67, I think, roof, vent windows, quarter windows, trunk, the decal seal from you guys. We got 68 and 9, about the same.
Yep.
Are you guys going to be doing the second gen, maybe 70 to 81?
That is the plan. Yep.
That is a good idea.
Yeah, so we're just going to keep on going. We've got some roof rails for the 69, I believe, in the shop right now. We got a great set of NOS that we're going to be reverse engineering off of. And the whole point is just to make sure that those Camaro seals are done right. I mean, they've been on the market for so long. But at the end of the day, people have really nice cars. They want to put a really nice part on it, and that is exactly what we're going to give them.
Dude, I love it. And you nailed it. They've already had, a brand on there before they're probably not happy with. And like your all's name is known for being the best. So keep filling out that product line. We're super excited to be offering what we have now.
Yeah, absolutely.
And if you get new stuff, let me know. We're going to try really hard to sell it.
For sure. You'll be the first to know.
Great to see you guys, man. Have a wonderful show.
Don't unbuckle yet. Stay tuned for more 2024 Street Rod National. We got more to come.